Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize ClickUp for workflow management, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your ClickUp account. Once logged in, navigate to your workspace. Create a new workspace if you don't have one set up yet. Identify the specific workflows you want to manage. Click on the plus new space button to create a new space for your workflows. Name your space according to the project or team it pertains to. Customize your space by selecting a color and icon that reflect your branding. Within your new space, create folders for different projects. Click plus new folder and name it according to the project or category. Within each folder, create lists to organize tasks further. Click plus new list and title it based on the type of tasks it will contain. Next, add tasks to your lists. Click on plus new task and describe the task clearly. Assign due dates to ensure accountability. Utilize the assignee feature to delegate tasks to team members. Customize task priorities by selecting from the priority options. Use the custom fields feature to add specific information relevant to your projects. In the task view, you can also add checklists for subtasks. Encourage your team to update task statuses regularly. Utilize the view options to visualize your workflows. Switch between list view, board view, and calendar view as needed. Integrate third-party tools to streamline your workflow. Explore the ClickUp's feature for additional functionalities. Utilize automations to reduce repetitive tasks. Set up automations for task assignments, notifications, and due date management. Encourage team collaboration by commenting directly on tasks. Provide clear guidelines on task updates and communications. Regularly review your workflows for optimization opportunities. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.